In this video, we're going to talk about the 10 best foods for anxiety and depression. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Anxiety is a common disorder that impacts the lives of millions of people all over the world. The symptoms might vary from person to person, and some people only experience them occasionally. On the other hand, someone who has symptoms for a period of 6 months or longer is possibly suffering from generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. Here are 10 foods that help in fighting anxiety and depression. Number 10. Fatty fish. Omega-3s can be found in high concentrations in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, trout, and herring. Fatty acids known as omega-3s have been shown to have significant effects on both cognitive performance and overall mental well-being. Omega-3s. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids typically contain either alpha-linoleic acid ALA or two important fatty acids, known as eicosapotenic acid EPA and docosahexaenoic acid DHA. Both these fatty acids are necessary for human health. EPA and DHA are known to modulate neurotransmitters, bring about a reduction in inflammatory responses, and promote healthy brain function. Supplementation with EPA and DHA resulted in lower levels of anxiety, according to the findings of a limited trial that involved 24 patients with issues related to substance abuse. On the other hand, vitamins and minerals found in supplements typically come in a more concentrated form than those found in foods. Vitamin D. In addition to being one of the few food sources of vitamin D, salmon and sardines are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin D insufficiency has been progressively linked to a variety of mental problems, including anxiety by researchers. There is some evidence that links low levels of vitamin D in the blood to characteristics of sadness and anxiety, but more research is required on this topic. Instead of relying solely on a diet of fatty fish, vitamin D deficient individuals may think about taking vitamin D pills in large doses. Number 9. Eggs. Another food that is rich in vitamin D is egg yolks, particularly those that come from chickens that were grown on pasture. Additionally, eggs are a fantastic source of protein in their own right. They are a complete protein, which indicates that they contain all of the important amino acids that are required by the body in order for it to continue to grow and develop. Eggs also contain the amino acid tryptophan, which contributes to the production of serotonin. Serotonin is a chemical neurotransmitter that may be found in the bowels, the brain, and blood platelets. It has a role in the regulation of behavior as well as mood, sleep, and memory. It is believed that serotonin can boost brain function and reduce feelings of anxiety. However, it is not able to pass across the blood-brain barrier, which means that foods and medicines that contain serotonin do not directly deliver serotonin to the body. Instead, they can cause chemical processes in the brain that elevate serotonin levels. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a wonderful source of potassium, which plays a role in maintaining a healthy electrolyte balance, as well as helping to control one's blood pressure. An older study that was conducted in 2008 discovered that low levels of potassium and magnesium were connected with high amounts of cortisol, which is a stress hormone that is released by the adrenal glands. Eating foods that are high in potassium, including bananas and pumpkin seeds, may help alleviate the physical manifestations of stress and anxiety. Zinc is another nutrient that can be found in abundance in pumpkin seeds. Serum zinc levels were found to have an inverse relationship to mood disorders, such as anxiety and depression, according to the findings of a study that involved 100 female high school students. According to these findings, elevating serum zinc levels could be an effective treatment for mood problems in some individuals. The growth of both the brain and the nerves required zinc. The parts of the brain that are responsible for feeling emotions have some of the greatest zinc storage sites in the body. Number 7. Dark chocolate. Eating dark chocolate can help reduce stress. For a long time, professionals have had a sneaking suspicion that eating dark chocolate could help lessen feelings of tension and anxiety. Consuming dark chocolate or cocoa may increase mood by way of the gut-brain axis. due to the fact that the majority of the currently available research on this topic are observational in nature. Even while it is not entirely understood how dark chocolate can help enhance mood or reduce stress, it is well known that dark chocolate is an abundant source of polyphenols, in particular flavonoids. Chocolate has a high tryptophan level, which the body converts into mood-enhancing neurotransmitters like serotonin in the brain. Tryptophan is found in high concentrations in chocolate. Magnesium is another nutrient that can be found in abundance in dark chocolate. Eating foods that contain an adequate amount of magnesium or taking magnesium supplements may alleviate some of the negative effects of stress and anxiety. Number 6. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active component of turmeric, has been shown to alleviate symptoms of anxiety in certain people. It does this by lowering levels of inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that frequently worsen in people who suffer from mood disorders like anxiety and depression. Adults with obesity who took 1 gram of curcumin daily experienced less anxiety, according to a study that was published in 2015. If someone is interested in high-dose curcumin products, they should talk to their physician about whether or not they should use supplements. According to the findings of another study, increasing the amount of curcumin in one's diet was associated with an increase in DHA as well as a reduction in anxiety. It is simple to use turmeric into food preparation because it has very little taste. It works really well in foods like smoothies, curries, and casseroles. Number 5. Chamomile. Because of its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant, and relaxing characteristics, chamomile tea is used as an herbal treatment by a significant number of people all over the world. Flavonoids, which are contained in chamomile, are thought by some to be the source of the plant's calming and anxiety-reducing effects. Consuming 1,500 milligrams of chamomile extract on a daily basis, that is, a capsule containing 500 milligrams 3 times a day, did alleviate the symptoms of anxiety. On the other hand, it did not prevent additional bouts of worrying from occurring. It has been suggested that drinking chamomile tea can help reduce anxiety. It is not only easily accessible, but also very safe to consume in large quantities. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Lactobacillus and bifidobacteria are 2 types of beneficial bacteria that can be found in yogurt. There is mounting evidence to support the idea that these bacteria and fermented products have a beneficial impact on the health of the brain. Yogurt and other dairy products may also have the ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. A number of studies point to chronic inflammation as a possible contributor to mental health conditions such as anxiety, stress, and depression. Fermented foods were found to lessen social anxiety in some young individuals in a study conducted in 2015, and other studies have found that consumption of beneficial bacteria can boost happiness in some people. Consuming fermented foods like yogurt and other dairy products can be beneficial to the natural bacteria that live in the gut and may also help alleviate feelings of worry and stress. Cheese, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented soy products are examples of food that go through the process of fermentation. Number 3. Green tea. There is an amino acid found in green tea called theanine, and it has recently been under increased study due to the possibility that it may have an effect on mood disorders. Theanine has been shown to reduce feelings of anxiety and promote feelings of relaxation, and it may also stimulate the creation of serotonin and dopamine. In human trials, taking 200 milligrams of theanine was found to improve self-reported levels of relaxation and calmness while also reducing levels of tension. It is simple to incorporate green tea into one's regular diet. It is an acceptable alternative to beverages such as soft drinks, coffee, and even alcoholic beverages. Number 2. Brazil nuts. Selenium, which is found in Brazil nuts, has been shown to help improve mood. Selenium content is quite high in Brazil nuts. It is possible that selenium can improve mood by lowering inflammation, the levels of which are frequently elevated in those who suffer from mood disorders such as anxiety. In addition, selenium is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from being damaged. In addition to nuts, other animal products and plants, such as mushrooms and soybeans, are rich in selenium, making them great dietary sources. It is essential to keep in mind that excessive selenium use can result in negative side effects, and adults should not consume more than 400 micrograms of selenium in a single day, as this is the top level that is suggested. Take cautions not to consume more than 3 or 4 Brazil nuts per day, or take dietary supplements that contain large doses. Nuts in general, and Brazil nuts in particular, are excellent food sources of the antioxidant vitamin E. Antioxidants have been demonstrated to be useful in the treatment of anxiety, and some evidence suggests that children who have low amounts of vitamin E may be more prone to experiencing anxiety. Number 1. Poultry. Both chicken and turkey are excellent sources of lean protein, which can assist to maintain stable blood sugar levels and a positive mood throughout the day. In addition to being reliable sources of lean protein, turkey and chicken breasts are known to provide significant levels of tryptophan. Tryptophan is a naturally occurring amino acid. Again, this is important because it helps build serotonin, which helps us maintain healthy sleep and a balanced mood. Another benefit of this is that it helps create serotonin. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.